Okay, friends, are you ready? Wow! So pretty. Look at the unicorn. Hello! Lele! Hi, friends! So today I'm gonna make this. This is a terrarium. Okay, I'm gonna use Friends, can you tell me which color we have here? Okay, we have blue, pink, and purple. I think I'm gonna use these rocks. What is the color? White. Wow. These are transparent. Wow. Let's shake this up for me more comfortable. This is moss. It calls moss. But this color, what do you think it is? Like I call it green mixed with yellow. Now let's try to put it in. Now let's cut these. We're not gonna use all of it. Look, some pictures decorate. Friends, this is so cute. It's so and there we go. Let me show you the side that one more. Oh my gosh, Mommy, this is so pretty. Thank you. And that's cool. So the last thing we need to do is put this just like here. Come on, let's try and see this on the back. Okay, so wow! So pretty. Look at the unicorn. Hello! Go, go, go! Wow! Bye, friends! I hope you liked our video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!